Hi, I'm Carolyn, trichologist here at Absolique. We're coming to you from our new location, Brisbane, Spring Hill. We're offering total hair and scalp care services, particularly for our clients and those who may be experiencing hair loss, hair thinning and scalp conditions, because we understand that a trip to a normal hairdresser can be terrifying. We get this thing called hair anxiety when you're going through things you don't understand with your hair, and even just the thought of having your hair washed in a general basin can trigger all sorts of things. So we understand that. We also understand what's happening with your hair, so we're going to offer up these services to help you get the most out of your hair, whilst we're dealing also with the causes and symptoms of the hair loss, hair thinning and scalp conditions. We're still going to get a microscopic snapshot of what's going on, so that way we know exactly what's happening at the root level or the root cause, and then we can help you to balance out what's happening with your hair whilst we fix the cause as well. So our new hairdressing services obviously is going to include hair cutting, and we're always going to be suggesting the best way you can get maximum volume and style out of your hair whilst you're going through your hair loss treatment. So it's very much precision cutting, because we understand every hair strand is especially precious to you, and sometimes people want to keep all of their length whilst we've got thin hair. So we're going to help you to address the real symptoms, but help you look after your hair so you're happy with the way you look while you're going through this. The other thing that's very important is all the safe products that we use. So we're using our scalp cleansing range along with our new Away range, which is completely safe, organic. They've just ticked every box that we have with our holistic hair loss treatment, so we're super excited to be aligned with them. We can also help you avoid getting super short haircuts when your hair is growing out through hair loss treatments, so we can sort of create a plan to balance it out. To see if our new hair cutting services are suitable for you or something you may be interested in, we're offering up complimentary 15-minute phone or in-clinic consultations, so we can sort of design a bit of a plan of frequency and how much and when and the style that you want to achieve, or as we say here, your hair dream. So for any more information on our new hair cutting precision hair services, drop me an email. It's info@absolique.com.au, but also keep in mind this is only at our Brisbane Spring Hill clinic, and we also will be having some grand opening special offers, so watch out for them as well. Thank you.